Hello gardening friends. So I wanted to show you my onion harvest that I've gotten so far and just tell you a little bit about it. So I bought my onions at a local feed store. I bought 2 little bundles with the green part on it, just the little starts, and put them in the ground, buried them fairly well, a little bit down, and mulched over really heavy. Then they got snowed on and frozen and all that, but they were fairly warm under there with some mulch, and they survived, and a lot of them got really big, a lot of them got medium, but I'll show you. Alright, so I've been putting them under my carport here on this barbecue, and as you can see, got a couple of baseball size. I didn't really get too many softball size. I'd call that a baseball size, but lots of smaller ones. And then I have some more on this side of the barbecue, and look, this one is still trying to go to seed. So let's go look at what's still in the garden. Alright, so I only have a few that are left here, and these bigger ones are going to seed. So I was letting it, this is its big seed head. So even though these aren't heirloom onion seeds, I'm going to let them go to seed. This one's pretty much done. Pretty dead on the top. And I did put some basil in through here to kind of take the place of this. So this, I would let these go a little bit longer. We'll take this one. Because they haven't started to fall over yet. We'll go ahead and take these. So you can see that this one, it's not going to grow anymore. And this one's got a seed head on it. Beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and take this one. And I guess I'll take this one. But I'm not going to take the ones that are seeding. And there's a couple more down this way. Tiny one. And then we've got one stuck in the ground here. So that's, oh, here's another one. And there's a few more over here in the garlic. I stuck a few in with the garlic, and this one's not totally laid over yet, so it might still give me more. I'm gonna take this one. Ah! Most of this is garlic. This one's going to seed, but I'm gonna go ahead and take it. I think that's it for the onions. I guess I'll go ahead and take this one. It's a nice sized onion. Yay! Success. Now I'm really curious about this garlic. So I'm probably going to go ahead and harvest a couple of these garlics too. Let's see. Let's find one that's really fallen over. Still not cloved out completely. Doesn't look like it's totally ready. Let's look at this one. Uh-oh. Come on. Garlic is really hard to harvest. Goodness gracious. Okay. Yeah, it's trying to clove out. Yes, queen. Okay, that is cool. So I'm going to leave this just a little bit longer. I want to pull one more. One. You see it? The dangers of flip-flops in the garden are ants. Yeah, that looks pretty good. It's getting really close to being ready. That smells so good. All right. right, well, thanks for watching this little quick update about my garlic and my onions. Today's little delicious healthy harvest. Here's a garlic. So I don't weigh my stuff. I don't know how much I got, but totally worth it for all this. Like, I think I spent like $4 on the onions. And so, ants. So yeah, don't stop growing onions. You know, when they start to come out of the ground and you can see the base of them, you have to dig the soil away from the base so that the sun can hit the bulb. So that's important. But other than that, they're super easy. So I will wait a little bit longer on this garlic and I'll let you guys know how it comes out. But this is grocery store garlic, and next year I'm gonna get some good garlic and I'm gonna do it right. So, all right, happy growing. Catch you in the next one. Bye. Ants.